Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious loaded chicken salad wrap. So let's get into it. I'm also going to show you how I packed my lunch for work. And yes, so let's get straight into it. This is some of the ingredients that you'll need. I'm using Southwest mustard, mayo. I'm going to be using the jalapeno juice and some pickles. Those are my favorite pickles from HEB, by the way. Not in general, but from HEB. I also have a lemon, and we're just going to make the sauce first. So to my little bowl, y'all, I know someone's looking like, girl, now why would you use that small bowl? But whatever. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you check it out. That pickle juice, that jalapeno juice is just going to give it like a slight little kick, little flavor. The Southwest mayo is great. If you don't like the specialty flavored mustards, use the one that you prefer, but that's what I'm using. I also sprinkle down in here some lemon. Mine wasn't that juicy, but I'm pretty sure I got about a teaspoon out of it. I'm also going to add my chopped up pickles, lots and lots of it, because that's what I like. And this is the seasoning that I'll be using. Make sure you guys season the sauce. I don't care what you use your favorite, use what I got, but season the sauce, because the wrap comes with nothing. It brings nothing to the party. The lettuce brings nothing to the party, so make sure you season it really, really well. And I'm just going to mix everything up. Summer is almost here, you guys, and I will not be using the oven. I'm in Texas. Y'all know it's hot, so I have quite a few cold recipes coming up. And so now this is a chicken I got from HEB. I bought it yesterday to eat for dinner, some of it, but it was just too under-seasoned for me. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to turn this into a chicken salad. And that's exactly what I did. I don't understand why they just sprinkle the seasoning on top and throw it in the oven, I guess. But I cut my corners when I can because my time is limited. So to my bowl with the chopped up chicken, I'm going to be adding down in here my celery and scallions. That's what I have. You can use regular onions, but that's what I'm using today. Next, I'll be using some grapes and red bell peppers. As you notice, it's not a lot of grapes. It's just enough to give you a pop here and there. Also, as you can see, I didn't make a lot of sauce because I'm a texture person, and I didn't want it to be too loose or too wet paused. And so, if I'm making this the night before, I have to make sure it stays together by the time it's the next day and it's lunchtime. So I didn't make it super loosey-goosey. But if that's what you prefer, go ahead and add more of that mixture or make more of that mixture. But look, as you can see here, it's perfect. I added half first, make sure it was good, and then I added the other half, just to get it to the consistency that I wanted. Make sure you taste it because it's your last chance to taste it, and seasoning. I needed more seasoning, child, because I knew the chicken was under-seasoned. And like I said, the tortilla does not bring anything to the party. So now that I mixed it up, it's perfect. As you can see, it's not loosey-goosey. It's nice and thick. So now let's cook up some bacon while the chicken salad rests in the refrigerator. By the way, you guys, if my audio is a little janky, it's because I just got a brand new phone and I'm still learning how to use the phone properly. So forgive me this one time until I figure things out, but I'm going to keep going, okay? So cook up some bacon. Y'all know how to cook bacon. I ain't got to show y'all how to cook bacon, child. Y'all know how to cook bacon. But this is everything ready to go. These are some huge tortillas, the store brand. Some lettuce, the chicken salad in the back that's nice and chilled, and the bacon. So now I'm going to put some lettuce down here. I'm using green leaf lettuce. Use the lettuce you prefer. But I like this something with a little bit of pizzazz. A little, when you slice it open, you're like, oh, there go the lettuce, child. Please, period. Next, I got to put the chicken salad down. Yes, that's how I like my bacon, nice and crispy. And now I'm going to wrap it. Y'all, at this point, you just got to go for it. You got to commit. When you're making a wrap, just commit. Don't play around, just commit, and you'll get it. There's no other way to explain it. So I wrapped it up the best way I could, which was actually good. It turned out great. And you want to just put some weight on it and, push at it a little bit, and you'll be good to go, just like me. And now I'm just going to slice it open with a serrated knife, just like this, right down the middle, diagonally. And this is how it looks. Y'all, look at this wrap. You see why I use that lettuce? You can see, she's like, here I am. Here I go. look at me, period. Look at the chicken, the bacon. You can see the peppers, the celery, the scallions. It was just so good. And it was, oh, by the way, because this video is after the fact, it did stay nice and dry. And, you know, like I said, bring some extra sauce or add extra sauce to your wrap if that's what you prefer. This is what my lunch looks like. I always pack 2 types of fruit or a lot of fruit and my water. Of course, you guys, you know, you take water to work or school or whatever, because I do intermittent fast. So around 12, 1 o'clock is when I eat my fruit and all my water. And then I have lunch. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Until next time, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.